Fright Fest! Getting spooky with it. First maze I find is the Conjuring. Let's go check it on out. Inside we go.
Nothing to try. Not even the toy.
I don't want to touch it in the first place.
Anyway,
I didn't.
I'm glad you're here. There have been these disturbances every night around. Oh my God.
Oh shit! Come on, move! Oh!
They're afraid. Aw, he's afraid. Well, that was the Conjuring here at Six Flags Magic Mountain. You can't ever go wrong with a good little interesting maze. It's really dark in there, but it was they had some good scares though. And I just love when the people get crazy with it because it's just so much more fun like that. Well guys, thank you for watching this video. Please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe here on YouTube, as you never know what other random haunted things I might film for you. Maybe I'll film Busch Gardens Hollow Scream. Maybe I'll go ride Topsy right now. Or you know what? Really feeling like something so scary, like Not Scary Farm. So thank you guys. Please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Peace.